Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another look using the Profusion Dreamscape palette. This is look number 3 and this is a teal halo eye. It's very pretty, super cute, and perfect for the summer. Let's get started. I use the WetnWild Mega Last eyeshadow primer and I have Sheglam Insta Ready Powder Duo under the eyes to catch the fallout that I'm going to have. The shades in this palette are powdery, so there is quite a bit of fallout with the palette. Of course, I'm going to be taking the Profusion Dreamscape eyeshadow palette. I believe you can still find this at Walmart and the Profusion website. The first shade I'm going to be picking up is called Surreal. It's kind of teal, it's kind of green, it does lean way green, but I'm still going to specify this as a teal halo look. I'm taking this on a fluffy blending crease style brush, and I'm going to be pressing that in my outer corner up into the crease using the orbital bone as a guide. I will be building this up quite a bit because it is a bit sheer but can be built up, but once it's built up I feel that this particular shade is kind of patchy and it is powdery. There's quite a bit of fallout with this shade. Next I am taking Ethereal. This shade is a beautiful shimmery teal green shade, and I say it once again because I look at this and I'm like, ooh, this is like teal, but it also leans very heavily green. Either way, whatever you want to call it, teal or green, it's a really beautiful look for spring and summer, anytime if you want to wear colors. I'm just picking that up on my finger and I am applying that to the center of my lid. I will go back in with more of the teal shade and apply it in the inner corner, the outer corner, to continue to form that halo eye. Once I have that, I'm going to clean the brush off, and this shade is called Realm, and I'm going to be taking this light minty shade and I'm going to take that very lightly around the edges of the crease line. And this is just going to help blend that out, soften the edges of the shade that we have in the inner and the outer corner. It's really not going to do much, but it is going to help soften those edges. And this is Tiny Bubbles from Spectrum Cosmetics. It is a mineral eyeshadow. It is like a vanilla nude bone shade. And I'm applying that with a large eyeshadow brush under the eyebrow to highlight my brow with. I'm also going to be bringing that down into the crease line and then going back in with the fluffy crease brush and blending all of that together. Here is some of the fallout, so the importance of wearing the powder under the eye to catch all that to save the face makeup. Wiping away that fallout, I'm going to be using that same teal shade on the lower lash line. And I'm going to kind of like smoke this out in the lower lash line area. On a Q-tip, I am taking Ethereal and I am going to place this in the inner corner. I didn't want to dirty up any more makeup brushes, so I used the Q-tip. This shade here is called Fantasy and it's a light shimmery icy blue. Applying that directly on top because I don't want it just to be that blue. I want it to mix with the green, just be a brighter shade. LaColors Show Eyeliner to tightline my upper waterline, and this eyeliner is from Temu and it is just a basic green eyeliner, and I'm applying that in the waterline. Ardell Wispy lashes and the AOA Studio Super Lash Adhesive. Love these lash products here. I love these Ardell Wispies. They are stunningly gorgeous and I believe they look good on all the eye shapes. They're really nice eyelashes. The Loreal Air Volume Mascara to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. And I will be putting a little bit of that on my lower lash line today as well, which I typically don't do, but I've really been liking that look again. For lips, I chose a nude lip, and I'm using the LaColors Nude Glam Lipstick in Oh Teddy. It's just a beautiful nude lipstick. Any nude will do, any lipstick you choose will do. that is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed the video, found the tutorial helpful. Maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the Profusion Dreamscape palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links, a product list, and a Profusion playlist.